video, we're looking at how to download the chemical stock control spreadsheet. This is a powerful spreadsheet designed for school science technicians to help keep track of their chemical stock. It's available on the Facebook School Science Technicians page as a download, but it's also on Google Sheets from the links below. When you open the link, you should get this sort of screen, and if you want your copy to work with, you go to File, Download Microsoft Excel, and you will get a copy of it up here. You'll also need the GHS symbols. Again, there's a link, and again go to File and Download, and be able to open that folder and move the files to wherever you're going to use them from. The GHS symbols you will need to install, so right click and install that. I'll be showing you how to get started on the spreadsheet in another video. There is a little problem with the Google documents in that it strips away the font from this column here, so our GHS symbols don't show. So we're going to have to put those back in when we use it on Excel, or use it on Teams or any other spreadsheet program of a similar nature. So that's how to download from the Google Docs if you don't access it through the Facebook page.